Understanding Vegan Baking, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a delicious topic that's been gaining popularity: vegan baking. If you're curious about what it means and how it's done, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the secrets behind this compassionate culinary art. Vegan baking refers to the method of making baked goods without the use of any animal products. That means no dairy, eggs, or honey. Instead, vegan bakers use plant-based ingredients to create everything from fluffy cakes to crisp cookies. It's all about innovation and substitutions. In this section, we'll explore the common substitutes used in vegan baking. For instance, dairy milk is replaced with almond, soy, or oat milk. Butter can be swapped for coconut oil or vegan butter, and eggs can be substituted with flax seeds, applesauce, or commercial egg replacers. Each substitute serves a purpose, whether it's binding, leavening, or adding moisture. Why go vegan with your baking? Well, it's not only about dietary preferences but also health and ethical benefits. Vegan baked goods are often lower in saturated fats and cholesterol, making them a heart-friendly choice. Plus, it's a sustainable option that reduces the demand for animal products, aligning with cruelty-free and environmental values. Baking without eggs or dairy may seem challenging, but with the right techniques, it's a piece of cake. We'll look at how to ensure your baked goods rise properly, how to make them moist and tender, and how to bring out rich flavors, all while using vegan ingredients. Practice makes perfect in vegan baking. To get you started, we'll walk through some simple and delicious vegan recipes. From classic chocolate chip cookies to decadent brownies, we'll show you that vegan baking can satisfy any sweet tooth. We'll go step by step, so even beginners can follow along with ease. We hope this video has shed some light on the delightful world of vegan baking. Whether you're a vegan for life or just looking to try something new, baking without animal products can be a rewarding experience. Happy baking, and remember, the key ingredient is always love. See you in the next video.